You just hosted a great call. The guests seemed interested. And now they're gone, with zero record they were ever there. Sound familiar? Vyroq closes that gap automatically. Right at the front door of every meeting, a guest clicks your join link and lands on a branded lobby. Your logo, your name, no account required. Vyroq checks their camera and microphone first, then asks for their email. That field is mandatory every single time. Type it. And if they've been here before, Vyroq recognizes them instantly and fills in their name for you. New guest? They just type your name, and if you've turned it on in that meeting's settings, a phone number, either optional or required, you'll call entirely. The moment they hit join now, Vyroq quietly creates a lead behind the scenes. No CSV, no manual entry, no let me grab your info real quick. Then they sit in the waiting room until you admit them. And once they're in, that lead is already sitting in your pipeline, ready for follow-up, ready for your next campaign. One click to join, one contact captured automatically. No guest ever slips through again. That's guest capture on Vyroq. Every conversation becomes a lead. Start yours free at vyroq.com. No credit card, 14-day money-back guarantee.